Looking for a travel rewards card that packs a punch without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The annual fee is just $95, and it provides a sign up bonus. You earn 100,000 points after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. You also earn 5 times points on travel through Chase Travel, 3 times on dining, 2 times on other travel, and 1 time on everything else. You can redeem points through Chase Travel for 25% more value. For instance, 50,000 points become $625. As additional benefits, you can enjoy a $50 annual hotel credit, 10% anniversary points boost, and 1 point transfers to top travel programs. You can also get 3 times points on dining and a complimentary Dash Pass membership for at least 12 months. You also can benefit from trip cancellation insurance, primary rental car coverage, and no foreign transaction fees. If you're a traveler seeking value and flexibility, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a top contender. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and leave it a like to help our channel grow.